How to manage members on Amazon application. Are you guys facing issues to manage member on Amazon application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Amazon app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now look at the bottom of your screen where you can see your profile icon. Tap on it. Now scroll down. Now look at the right beside of your account where you can see see all icon. Tap on it. Scroll down, you will be provided with multiple options. Now just simply tap on manage your Amazon family. After you click on it, you can see the family member of your Amazon account. If you want to remove certain members, then tap on the profile and hit the remove button. Again click on remove. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna manage member on Amazon application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.